What's up, everyone? We are giving away a free Figma rebuild of Spacegoods. Spacegoods is an 8-figure brand, and we've prepared the CRO design system behind their success. Included is the homepage, the collection, and the product page. Mobile first, plus desktop, and of course, full auto layout. To get it, all you have to do is join our free school community. The link is below in the description. Now, Spacegoods is a rocket ship in the wellness space, and we've reverse engineered the patterns behind their 8-figure growth. We have the clean hero structure, crystal clear value props, proof stacking, irresistible offers, social proof that actually converts, and of course, friction-free checkout paths. We've rebuilt everything in Figma so you can study, copy, and ship fast. Inside the file, you'll find mobile first frames matched to desktop. Every section is built with auto layout, reusable components, and variants, and variables for colors and types so you can reskin it in minutes. You'll see how bundles are presented, how reviews are layered, and where call to actions sit, and how the narrative moves from curiosity to trust to purchase. Now, how to use it to level up your brand? That's a really good question. You can learn by tracing the flow and reading the notes. Implement by swapping your brand tokens and dragging the sections into your own file. Grow by testing these proven layouts on your homepage, collection pages, and PDPs, and cut the guesswork and focus on offers, content, and traffic. This is an educational study inspired by Spacegoods, not affiliated, but the value is insane. A ready-to-use, conversion-focused system you can plug into your store today. If you want the full pack, Figma file, sections, and components, and all future weekly drops, join our free school community right now. And keep in mind, we will be rebuilding a lot of these sections inside of our Add Section app. So join our community not only to get the free Figma files, but also in future, you'll be able to add these sections to your store in one click. The download is waiting for you. See you guys inside.